I ain't for sure. Don't lose the screws, fool. Don't lose the screws. Hit you in the head for doing that stupid stuff.
And that's what they call me. Promise that you.
It's your boy T-Lite. Oh yeah. I'm just playing. Y'all thought y'all was about to see a suicide on the camera, didn't you? Not. But yeah, man, I got something special for y'all today, man. I got a special little delivery. So I'm gonna open it up while y'all are here. I'm gonna open it up while y'all are here so y'all can get the same exact reaction I get. Cause I haven't saw it either. I'm not even gonna tell you what it is. So we gonna find out together. So I'm gonna bust it open real quick. It's gonna be a short video. This ain't gonna be no long, extended video. I'm gonna try to get 8 minutes though, you know what I'm saying? Bad boy open. What up, Bear? My dude. See what we got from this month. You know I'm petty. I ain't even try to get a knife. Hope I ain't damaged nothing. Digging in there like that. Come on, T-Lite. Act like you had something before. What? Whoever taped this, boy, he cold with the tape. He ain't colder than me with this motherfucker screwdriver, though. Open it up like that. Ooh, I'm so excited. I just can't hide it. Oh, they ain't pop. I'm trying to make go. Damn. In there, boy.
They don't want you trying to get no refund.
They don't want no refund. You know what I'm saying, GD? Gotta wrap real good. Bubble wrap. They ain't say, you got what you paid for, sir. We wrapped it thoroughly. Man, they wrapped that real good. I'm about to put that back on there because I ain't gonna put it on there.
Yeah.
They got the bolts right there. They got the screws to it right there. Damn. What the hell? I can get it in there like that. Trying to preserve it. You know what? Let's open it up too, like. You know what I'm saying?
Oh, there you go.
There we go. Ooh-wee. Ooh,
Oh.
that's gonna be chicken dickens. That's gonna be chicken dickens right there. That's gonna be chicken dickens. Keep riding those squirts. Come mess with my video. Keep riding those squirts. What they gonna look like? You think they gonna look good, GT?
That's gonna look so good.
Ooh, wait, that's gonna be official disho.
And now I got to get me one.
Man, I'm gonna have to get them 5-inch tips though. What you think? You think them tips right there cool for now? It's gonna sit back where this one's sitting at.
Yeah, for now.
For now, them tips will be cool because
It'll do for now.
Back on. I
Yeah.
thought it was gonna be like this, like it's more like gloss than whatever this is. But it's still cool though, you know what I'm saying? What I'm gonna do is
I like that gloss.
put that right there. I'm gonna get me some strips right here. Let me show my people what I'm gonna do. I don't care if you bite my style. I'm gonna get some gold mango strips right there. So
Okay.
Paint, you know, I can do my thing. You know what I'm saying? What's in that box I just seen, bro? I got some side pieces in this box. I ain't for sure. Don't lose the screws, fool. Don't lose the screws. Hit you in the head for doing that stupid stuff. See what we got in here, y'all. Like Christmas. Okay. It's like a little side thing. What's these supposed to do? Oh, okay. I see what we got here. I think they're supposed to go like this. Nah, you wrong, T-Lite.
What is it?
It's supposed to go. Yeah, they're supposed to go over here. Bam, right there. I think it's supposed to go like that.
Oh, so what, it's gonna wrap all the way around there?
Yeah, it's supposed to wrap around.
Okay. Yeah, that's gonna look good.
That's gonna look cold. That's gonna be on point. That's gonna be official. Official. Ain't supposed to go like that, T-Lite. We know it ain't supposed to go like that. Gotta go like this, right?
Yeah, I think it's like that. I think.
Man.
You trying to figure it out.
Man, we're gonna figure it out. We're gonna figure out what to do. We're gonna figure something out, goddammit. There you go.
Okay, yeah.
How the fuck you gonna get that?
Wait, I don't know, bro.
I think I'm gonna have to screw in there, don't you? That look like I'm gonna have to screw in something. That's gotta be how it's gonna go. I can't see it going no other way.
I don't know, T-Lite.
I done bought some bullshit. I done bought some extra accessories that I don't need. It's gotta be screwed in though. I can't see it doing nothing. It sit perfect right there. Man, what is this mess they done gave me? I don't know what this is. I ain't gonna lie to y'all, man. I'm gonna have to look it up on YouTube and see what those do.
So you just ordering stuff?
I thought it came with like a kit. I thought you needed like a kit to go with the diffuser. I was like, man, what's these little side things for? Got an ant inside my head? Look at that little bastard. I'll kill your little ass. No, you ain't bite me, so I'm gonna let you live. Yeah, I thought that I saw these came with it. Man, I got them all dirty and shit. Those came with it, so we'll figure out. I guess we'll figure it out. Another animal. Let my future brother-in-law figure out shit. I ain't gonna figure out nothing. I ain't even gonna lie to you. I ain't gonna figure out a goddamn thing. I'm gonna let him figure it out. He's a mechanic. We're gonna put these screws inside here.
So when is this coming?
This is coming sooner than by Monday. These will be on, hopefully. Creator willing, if the creator decide. Look, you think gonna leave those right there? I'd have been crying. What are screws? I didn't even give all the screws. I'm getting y'all screws. You just didn't want to pay attention. But yeah, hopefully we get this in there by Monday. We're hoping for Monday. That's what we're shooting for, Monday. That's gonna go right there. Yeah, I think them things go on the side though. That's gonna look good though.
Is that the only piece?
That's the only. It's two pieces. There's some pieces to the side too. I know you don't want to get on camera with this thing.
Sure don't.
Yeah, these other two pieces.
Hold them on, I can't see.
These other two pieces going. I think these go on the bottom of the car.
It goes under the pipe part.
No. Sorry. Good try though.
Nope.
No. I don't see how that can go in. How can that go under the pipe part? Good try though. No, it go right here.
No ugly ass, don't even know.
I might be ugly, but you sure wouldn't. Look at that.
Yeah, that's what I'm talking about.
I think it go like that, but I'm like, dang, how, what is it supposed to sit on? Yeah, it's gotta go like that.
Yeah, that's what I'm talking about.
That's what you talking?
Yeah.
Nah, you were not. You said by the pipes. Yeah, I think it go like that. What you think, GG?
I think it's like that.
We're gonna get online and look.
That's
I'm
the
get
only
online,
thing that
look.
it could do.
When y'all see it again, it's gonna be on the car. If it don't go that way, I started a new trend. Look, I know what it can be. The new wide body kit. The cheap version. That's crazy. Look how wide that is.
Oh yeah, I think it goes on the side.
Under there.
You had it?
That's
Yeah.
the only way I can see where it goes. I'm pretty sure little fella will figure it out for me.
I thought it like snapped in like all the way around like a case.
Me too. That's, like,
That's what I thought.
dang. We're gonna wrap it up. Look at that. Woo, I'm cold with the wrap. I used to work in a warehouse. I used to have to wrap shit all day. There's only two of us that work in the whole warehouse. Me and the lady, the boss. She used to get on my nerves for real. Bam, put that in there. Put that in there. Alright. And we are done with that. That's my video for today. My special surprise was a diffuser. We got two other pieces that I didn't expect to get. I don't know what they go to. But when I show the aftermath of me putting that on there, you will see where those go to. And I will have them in the correct position. Trust me. But yeah, with that being said, shoot you with a little bit of positivity. Don't ever listen to people that tell you what they know what they're talking about when they don't know what they're talking about. Christine. I'm just playing. No, I'm just playing with y'all. I'm just playing y'all. But stay away from negative Ned, negative Nancy. As I always say, they will ruin your life, ruin your day, kill your vibe.
You killing my vibe.
I'm killing your vibe?
You just killed my vibe.
Well, you shouldn't have came out here with that malarkey that you came out here with. Oh, it go over there by the tips. It goes by the tips. No,
you
what
don't
you
even
talking
know
about.
where that shit goes.
I might not know where they go, but clearly you could have looked at those two things and knew they went nowhere near that area. So, like I said, you gotta always know what's in your heart. Don't listen to people that don't know what they're talking about. But I'm telling you, they will have you out here looking like a goofball. But always shoot for the sky. Always be positive. Be the leader of your crew. Always lead your crew to the greatest destiny they can get. You know, dang man, see, it's always a negative person. We got negative Nancy. She is here right now. Negative Nancy is here right now. Like I said, y'all always be positive, no matter who is around, no matter who messes up your vibe. Stay positive, stay great. Look at her, she back there pacing back and forth, trying to mess up this video.
Swing a screwdriver like a crazy
Because
person.
if you keep messing with
During
me,
your
I'm gonna
positive talk.
launch this thing at you. I'm just playing. I would never hit her, but yeah, like I said, man, stay positive. No matter what, don't let come on, don't let nobody mess up your vibe. It don't matter who they is. It could be your fiance. Don't let her mess your vibe up. Shoot for the stars, baby. And what's up, man? And at the end of the day, you gonna always be great. And with that being said, it's your boy T-Lite. And I'm out this piece. Jiddick.
The fam, that's what they call me. I promise that you never be lonely. Be the fam.